Every cleaning business owner wants to grow fast. More leads, more clients, more revenue. But here's the truth most agencies won't tell you. It doesn't matter how good your marketing is, if your sales process isn't ready to handle the leads, your growth will stall. Before we talk about ads or SEO, ask yourself, can your team follow up with a lead in under 5 minutes? Can your quote be fast? Is your team trained to handle a surge of new business? We can generate 100 leads a day, but if no one's calling them back, or if quoting is taking too long, that opportunity disappears. If you want to grow fast, Facebook and Instagram ads are a great start. You can get high lead volume fast. These people didn't ask for your ad, they just matched your ideal customer profile. So your job is to follow up quickly and turn curiosity into a book job. Next, Google search and LSA ads. These are high intent leads. People are literally searching for house cleaning in their area. These leads usually cost more, but they're ready to buy. Just make sure your quoting and scheduling are moving as fast as they are. Guerrilla marketing, door hangers, referrals, local partnerships. These things can still generate great leads, especially in tight neighborhoods. SEO, it's not fast, but it's powerful. Organic rankings take time, but the leads are free once they start coming in. Here's the bottom line. Fast growth only happens when your marketing, sales, and fulfillment systems are aligned. Marketing brings in the leads, sales converts them, operations delivers. If one breaks, the whole thing is slowing down. If you want to help building a system that can grow fast and grow right, book a free marketing strategy call with our team here at 5 Door Media. We'll help you figure out what's working, what's not, and where to go next. Growth doesn't come from guesses. It comes from systems that are ready for it.